As expected, because the SEC and Gary Gensler are messing with the wrong industry. And as you can see right now on the screen, it's about time, guys, because these guys, poor guys, honestly, it's been months, I believe, since the beginning of the summer 2023 that fees, lawyers, and a lot of money has been spent defending themselves against an agency that is honestly the latest that we know. The only purpose the SEC has is protect consumers and trying to make crypto investors' life insufferable. We're seeing right now the latest that Binance.US, and CC, they're filing to dismiss the SEC lawsuit because at the very beginning we know that they sued them, right? The SEC, because they unregistered selling of securities. But the thing is that it's been a while already, and well, have they found something? And it's been a lot of questions, right? We've seen Gary Gensler going to Congress a couple of times talking about it, but they haven't been wins so far. So good. We've seen how he struggles sometimes to answer some questions, and if he, the leader, the head of the SEC, cannot answer clearly, how in the world are you going to present clear rules and laws, a framework to them? And obviously you sue them, you panic the industry, and you're trying to help your donors and whales. That's not going to happen. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on. Watch Guru posting this 7:51. So it's going to be like an hour or so. And I'm saying if the SEC loses this is going to be a clear win for us in the future. And I'm sure, guys, that we're going to be fine completely. Now, the motions to dismiss, they leans on major questions, right? Doctrine claims, among other arguments. What do we have here? So the three of them, because the SEC sue everyone, right? They filed to dismiss today, Thursday, claiming that the regulator hadn't plausibly alleged various securities-related violations. So according to Binance, you're not really finding something of value. And that is seeking to encompass digital assets under its authority despite Congress not explicitly spelling that out in legislation. What does that mean? It means that the SEC is trying to make its own laws. And if Congress doesn't even have it in the book, what is the SEC doing? Enforcing, persecuting, hunting down crypto exchanges, right? The SEC sued Binance and the rest in June, alleging that they listed unregistered securities in the form of several cryptocurrencies. But the thing is, wasn't that done by all of the other different crypto exchanges? Coinbase, Gemini, Crypto.com, Webull, Robinhood, and you name it. So many of them did that. But why only CC got the whole team, right, sued? We'll see later on. The suit immediately kicked off legal fight over the last, couple of months over the customer funds. In Thursday's filings, attorneys for Binance and Binance.US said that the regulator was overreaching the allegations and securities laws. So it's good to see Binance going in the offense. We need to go in the offense against the SEC and Gary Gensler, right? For the industry to move a little bit, because I believe it's not going to move at all right now. We talked about it in some previous videos, right? Some altcoins doing some good stuff, but overall, nothing happening for us. We continue with the SEC recently brought several enforcement actions, including this past action premised on its new position that virtually all crypto assets and virtually all crypto assets transactions are securities, one of the filings said. So, oh boy, not Bitcoin, of course, that is a commodity. The agency was defining the term investment contract too broadly, one of the filings said. So that's one thing that you want to make sure you have clear before start suing crypto exchanges. But same that we see with XRP, with Ripple, the lawsuit is still ongoing. We thought it was going to be over when the judge said XRP is not a security. Boom. But no, the SEC quickly was trying to do their best to make sure that was reversed, and it's still ongoing. So, okay, what can we say, everybody? It's gonna take a while for us to do something meaningful, but we need new administration for sure, right? I think the United States needs much better people heading these agencies. So Indeed, since 2019, Congress has considered more than a dozen proposals that will provide coherent and a workable framework for crypto assets and their trading platforms, the filing said. So it's a mess. It's going to take a while. But Binance is saying, you know what? It's enough. Give us what we need to move on, but stop this lawsuit. It just doesn't add any value, right? So there you guys have it. This is what's happening right now. You're being updated. CZ 4, entire Binance holders 4. I know there's people that like Binance, that dislike Binance. I'm just trying to present to you all the information. That's what's right now. That is going to help not only Binance, but the entire crypto industry. And if you like crypto, I think you're going to be very happy with this news that we're going offensively right now. Let's see what happens. Remember, halving is still a couple of months away, and the bull market is after that. Peace.